I love this, and even if I just gave this, I think it's a really clever, if I do say so myself, and sweet, perfect California gift. So if you've never watched my channel before, my name is Tamara, and this is Reimagine 50 Plus, where you don't have to be 50 plus, but I sort of focus on things that I have discovered after the age of 50, even though I'm over the age of 60 now. And I think that most of the things I do would be of interest to those of you who have either retired, or your kids have left the nest, or you are looking for things to keep you interested in life and certainly have a little fun. So with that in mind, I'm going on a road trip. And today I wanted to show you some of the things that I have been pulling together, trying to come up with a sort of a little gift bag for the friends and relatives that I'm going to be visiting at the end of my road trip. So if this is something that you would be interested in, stay tuned, because I'm going to show you everything and hopefully inspire you to come up with a goodie bag or a gift bag or something on your own, especially if you have friends visiting from out of state and you'd like to leave a little something in their room. That's always sweet. Or maybe you are going somewhere and you want to take something. So with that in mind, I'm going to show you everything I came up with for my California goodie bag. So the first thing that I was keeping in mind as I was gathering up all of these goodies is that they were items that would travel well. And so I didn't want to bring anything that was too large or certainly was perishable that I had to keep on ice or keep cool for many days, because I'm going to be in the car for many days. It's a road trip. I'm going to be doing things along the way. Stay tuned for those videos. But for now, I'm thinking about what can I get to my destination without it spoiling or ruining or getting broken or taking up too much space in my vehicle. So the first thing that I am planning on taking, I had to do a little research to find this, but I was able to find individual packages of California almonds. And these are really nice because they're sealed. So it was very important to me that everything I took be from California, either grown in California, made in California, and in this case, they're grown and packaged in California. So a little package of almonds will be going into the gift bag. Now, speaking of the gift bag, let me show you what I'm going to do for the gift bags. I have these little individual brown, just very basic brown paper, and they've got the little tabs on the side that you can fold it down and then wrap the tabs around. So, and then I ordered, and you can get these for your state too, stickers. And I went through and picked out the ones that I thought would be perfect. Really like that one because it has the California poppies as well as the bird. Look at these. They're so cute. So I'm going to put one sticker on every bag. Everybody will get, they can pick if they want, but anyway, you get the idea. And so the first thing that's going to go into my gift bag would be a package of almonds. Another thing that California is known for, olives. And so I found early California sliced olives. So whether you're putting them on your salad or your pizza or maybe your enchilada, which is very California food too, I thought that would be fun to give everybody a can of sliced olives. So that'll be going into the gift bag. So this next item was a little bit expensive, so I did not get one of these for everyone that I'll be making the gift bag for, but I have some aunts and uncles, and so for each couple, aunt and uncle couple, I'm going to take them some California olive oil. And this is 100% California Select. Something like this would be in place of a bottle of wine. Who doesn't love a good olive oil? I just thought this would be a nice substitute instead of taking a bottle of wine, since I don't drink wine and I don't know how many of my aunts and uncles or friends that I'm going to be visiting drink wine. So, and that's always a little iffy when you take alcohol to someone. If you don't really know what they like, it's not really the best gift. Even if it's California wine, it's probably not the best. So I think the California olive oil it is in a glass bottle. So I'll be wrapping these in bubble wrap. And like I said, I only bought a few of these as a gift for my aunts and uncles. So I think they'll like that. And they will also get the little gift bags too. Okay, what's next on my list? This is an item that, believe it or not, they have had trouble with their factory getting bottles of this made. And so I wound up having to get little individual packages of sriracha hot sauce. And this is made in Southern California. The factory has produced the sriracha for many years, and now they're not producing. As a matter of fact, they shut down for a while. So I was sort of desperate, and it does say that it's world famous. Again, you don't know everybody likes hot sauce, but I thought this was the perfect size, just so everybody will get one of these in their gift bag. Hot sauce. Now don't laugh about this one. It is kind of funny. One of my friends saw it and said, "What's that for?" This, as far as I know from all my research, is only available in California. There used to be a few places in the Southwest that sold it. Not anymore. You can order it online, but you will pay 4 times as much. So I thought, what the heck? I don't drink it anymore. I used to. But I'm taking everybody a can of Cactus Cooler. And if you've never had a Cactus Cooler, they're really delicious. Orange, pineapple, soda. And yes, they're full of sugar. That's why I don't drink them anymore. But I thought that's a super fun item to add to their gift bag. Not a whole case. Everybody gets just a can of Cactus Cooler. I got these at my grocery store for $6 for a 12-pack. And I did look online thinking, oh, well, this might be something that somebody could just order online. It was $25 online. So I think it'll be kind of a fun thing. It certainly was a reasonably priced gift. Finally, I love this. And even if I just gave this, I think it's a really clever, if I do say so myself, and sweet, and just perfect California gift. California Puppies. And they come in this postcard size envelope. So darn cute. I love this. I love this. If you were doing a gift basket in someone's room that was coming to visit you, wouldn't that be cute in the gift basket with some of the food items? Really cute. Now, I'm not doing gift baskets, but I think everything will fit into my gift bags quite nicely. And I think everybody's going to like it. These are so light. You know, you could mail this. That's what they're designed to be, is a postcard. That is the cherry on top of the cupcake. Well, I'm not taking cupcakes, but you know what I mean. So that's it. I think, you know, there's 5 or 6 items in the gift bag. It's just a little something, something from California. So again, if you're going somewhere and you want to take a little something, maybe one of these or all of these would be a fun thing for you to take. Or if you're doing a gift basket or a welcome basket for someone who's going to be visiting you, especially over the holidays. How many mugs can someone have? We're all trying to clear out some of the clutter, and so I like things that are consumables. Maybe your state is known for emu oil, or maybe your state has something that is very indigenous, that they will be able to use that's difficult for them to find in their own state. That's the kind of gift I was looking for when I put together my gift bag, and probably you will want to put together if you do a gift basket. I hope this was helpful and kind of fun. I will be coming back to you with some other prep type videos. I have a pile of things that I've been putting into my suitcase. It's very difficult to pack when you're leaving in the middle of a heat wave and you're coming back when it's probably going to be cooler, and so it's presenting some problems as far as what I'm going to pack for this trip. So I've been working on it, and I'll show you what I came up with. So stay tuned for that one. All right, Have a great week. Thanks for joining me. If you haven't subscribed, it really does help me. I'm a small channel. I'm trying to grow and get the word out to other 50 pluses. Again, you don't have to be 50 plus, but I'm really trying to encourage people to enjoy their life and do some of the things that are out there waiting for us to do. Maybe even some things you haven't done in a while. Swing back around and try them out. So until next time, have a great week, and I'll see you next Thursday. Take care. Bye-bye.